they lacked sufficient information and data to inform a real maintenance and repair, replace lifecycle type model. So they were having to do maintenance in advance of when it may or may not be needed at a very high cycle rate to try and avoid any outage or downtime. When we started working with them, we worked with the port operators to, in the first instance, identify one suitable crane and access the historical data from that, and build out an initial predictive analytics proof of concept with them. So that then enabled us to take both the historic data and real-time data from that crane and bring in additional sensors, so vibration monitoring, for example, so adding not just the infrastructure sensors, but then some of the environment sensors, so being able to overlay otherwise disparate sets of data. Through that, it enabled us to build AI models, so based on historic failures, and then bringing in that real-time data sets to predict future failures. And that then, and as part of that prediction, identifying contributing factors to causing those failures. We were, through that, able to quickly prove that AI can predict equipment failures with a much higher degree of accuracy, which enabled them to plan maintenance and perform that maintenance at the right time, so just in time to avoid any unplanned downtime.